Welcome back, channel name Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and surprising entries in the motorhome segment, the all-new 2026 Lexus Motorhome Bus. Yes, you heard that right. Lexus has taken its iconic approach to refinement and comfort and applied it to a full-size luxury motorhome, blending their premium automotive DNA with long-haul travel convenience. From its bold exterior to its stunning interior and smooth performance, this is a statement vehicle in every sense of the word. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome Bus looks nothing like your typical RV. Instead, it embodies the sleek, futuristic language Lexus is known for, but stretched over a massive motorhome platform. At the front, the signature spindle grille dominates the design, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlamps that integrate with an elegant chrome-accented fascia. The front end alone makes this vehicle look like a concept car from the future. Along the sides, flush-mounted sliding doors open automatically and wide-tinted panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior. Sculpted body panels give the bus a premium, aerodynamic silhouette that minimizes drag while maintaining an upscale look. There's also an illuminated Lexus emblem that lights up at night, giving the bus a distinctive glow. Chrome finishes, dual-tone paint options, and 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels seal the deal when it comes to visual impact. Around back, a full LED taillight bar stretches across the width of the motorhome. Integrated cameras and sensors make maneuvering this large machine a breeze, thanks to a full 360-degree view system and Lexus's advanced driver assist features. Roof-mounted solar panels and retractable side awnings give you the freedom to set up camp in style while staying energy efficient. There's even a built-in exterior entertainment setup, complete with weather-sealed speakers and a 55-inch outdoor display. Step inside, and the 2026 Lexus Motorhome Bus truly feels like stepping into a high-end penthouse suite on wheels. Lexus spared no expense with materials. There's rich walnut wood trimming, semi-aniline leather on nearly every surface, ambient LED lighting, and Alcantara headliners. The main hall features a spacious lounge area with dual recliners, a 75-inch OLED smart TV, and a surround sound system developed in collaboration with Mark Levinson. The floors are crafted from anti-scratch engineered wood with underfloor heating for colder climates. You even get an automatic sliding wall that partitions the lounge from the rest of the living quarters, giving you extra privacy. The kitchen area is nothing short of gourmet. It features a marble countertop, induction stove, built-in air fryer, and a full-size stainless steel refrigerator with a wine chiller. Touchscreen control panels let you manage lighting, temperature, and appliances. There's also a retractable dining table that seats four comfortably, finished in brushed aluminum and wood grain. Moving to the bedroom, Lexus has managed to create a space that rivals most hotel rooms. A queen-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness is paired with a secondary 55-inch smart display and smart glass windows that tint automatically for privacy. You'll find built-in wardrobes, soft close drawers, and personal reading lights with wireless charging pads. And yes, there's even a skylight above the bed that gives you a view of the stars at night. The bathroom is spa-level. It includes a rainfall shower with aromatherapy features, heated towel racks, an electronic bidet toilet, and a backlit mirror with facial recognition and voice controls. Lexus has turned this into a sanctuary, not just a bathroom. Now when it comes to performance, Lexus went with a powerful hybrid setup for the motorhome bus. Under the chassis is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor system that delivers a combined output of 550 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to cruise smoothly even at highway speeds and tackle inclines without strain. An intelligent air suspension system adapts automatically to different road conditions, ensuring a serene ride regardless of terrain. Drive modes range from Eco to Sport Plus if you're feeling adventurous, but comfort is always the focus here. Fuel economy, while not groundbreaking, is quite reasonable for a motorhome of this size, averaging around 15 miles per gallon combined thanks to hybrid optimization and regenerative braking. There's also a plug-in feature that lets you charge the battery for limited zero-emission operation around campsites or urban areas. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome Bus starts at approximately $495,000 for the base luxury trim. The fully loaded executive trim, which includes all the optional tech packages, solar upgrades, off-grid battery pack, and personalized interiors, can go as high as $675,000. It's certainly not for the average buyer, but for those who want to travel in unmatched style, comfort, and class, this motorhome bus redefines the segment. Lexus has delivered something truly unique here. The 2026 motorhome bus isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury travel experience. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or just want to park it in a scenic spot and enjoy the peace, this machine ensures that your journey is every bit as comfortable as your destination. Stay tuned for more reviews and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest from Auto Plus Reviews.